This 2022 Grand Design Solitude 280RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Bradenton, Florida, 34208 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Bradenton. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design and features sleeps 2, Slideout, and 93 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.